everyone, Savannah here, and today I'm going to be sharing how to make a quick and easy, simple little Valentine's Day gift. So today we are going to be making this beeswax candle and this beautiful heart jar here. So I'm super excited to be sharing this quick and easy gift, and I hope you will give it a try. So without further ado, let's get started. Make sure to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. So let's get started. So to make the candles, I am using 100% organic beeswax. You also need a candle holder. I'm using this cute heart one with a wooden stand. You will also need some type of popsicle stick with a hole in it or a clothespin, a candle wick, a sticker for the base, and also a wax melter pot. So to begin, you want to measure out your beeswax. So I have filled my holder here about mostly up to the top. I also have some excess in my wax melter as well. So I'm going to be pouring the beeswax into the pot to melt. So here we have all our beeswax in our melting pot, and we are going to put the lid on it and let this go and melt so we can pour it into our candle. But in the meantime, let us put our wick into the base of the candle. So there's many ways to do this. I just have a little sticker here that I'm going to be using, but of course you can just use hot glue to glue the base of your wick on the bottom of the candle, placing my wick on it so it looks like this. And then now I'm going to be sticking the sticker here into the bottom of the vase. You want to put it in the middle and then kind of just put your fingers in it to push it down and to make it secure. Now that we have our wick in our candle, we are going to be taking our stick with the hole in it, and we're just going to be placing it here in the middle, and then this is going to be holding it in the center. So when we pour it, and after we're all done, the wick will be in the center. As you can see, some of the wax is starting to melt, and we know that it is fully melted when all of it looks clear. So now all of the wax has finally melted, and we can now pour it into our candle. Okay, so I have lined some tin foil here just to protect my workspace if any wax doesn't make it to the candle. So I'm going to be taking the melted wax and just slowly pouring it in to the candle here. You want to just do it very slowly. So this is what our candle looks like after we have finally poured the wax, and now we just have to give it some time and it will harden up. So it has been a little bit longer, and as you can tell, the wax is hardening up, and it has this beautiful yellow color to it, and it smells amazing, just like honey and beeswax. So we're just gonna let this cure here for a couple of days until we can begin to light it. So that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll give this amazing candle a try. And also after you let it sit, to cut the wick on top, and you should be good to go to light it. And I hope this gift brings someone so much joy, and I hope that you will try it sometime soon. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe down below for more videos, and make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.